today, this is Brooklyn. Today I'm my cousin, so he's gonna be doing good things. He's gonna be opening the trees and cutting them in little strips. And this is how you're making them. You can make them for parties. You have to get the cheese and wrap it around the grape. So let's get started. Hey! Gabe, I'm supposed to get the grapes! I'm not ready yet. Wait.
Okay, time to make the grapes. You guys each get a grape and get cheese.
Here.
And now, I'm going to do a purple one. Aww. I can't even do it.
Try again.
Gabe, it's kind of hard, so... Uh-oh. Sorry, folks. But we can still use this.
Now, time to taste.
You want the green one or the purple one? This one... Oh,
Take the green one, Gabe. Time to try it. And tell us if it's thumbs up or thumbs down.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? It goes all the way to 100 if I like it.
Ready?
No, wait. I have to count to 10 before we taste it. What? Me? Okay. Now we're doing this. Aww.
Gabe, why don't you tell us what you're going to be when you grow up?
A pizza for sure.
Well, come.
I'm going to be a chef. We just love this. Are you going to eat? Are you going to cook food or be a waiter? I told you I was going to be the chef. So I was cooking the food. I know, I have to cook the food. That's going to be super boring. My cousin loves this stuff. Brooklyn and Gabe's Candy Reviews. Brooklyn and Gabe's Candy Reviews. Hey, let's have fun today. 2 thumbs up because I like it. I like the cheese so much. 2 thumbs up because I like the cheese so much. Oh, that's good. Because it's the food. I'm gonna try it.